Hi guys, so we were asked to create a new database sheet using Access, which is something that I'm just learning how to use. I never even knew my computer had it. So we were asked for the assignment, we were asked to create a new database sheet where you would go to here, you would select new, you would select blank database, you would type in the name of your file here, and then you would select create. Once you create the file, it will take you to something like this, and then you would select the view that you want. This assignment called for a data sheet view, which is this, and it asks us to delete some of the fields. I should have saved some to delete for you, but basically you would select the field type here and then click down and delete field. It also called for us to alphabetize the last name field. Um, as you could see here, it's in alphabetical order. And I entered fictional and people that I knew. I also just gave them certain majors, and the assignment itself called for us to filter it by our major. My major is health service administration, so I just selected the filter here. You would go to selection. I'm sorry, I should have showed you the right way. You would highlight it, and then you would go to selection and contains health service administration. Once you select that, it would bring all of the people that are within that same major together. I knew nothing about Access, as I told you before, and I incorporated some of the things that I've learned within the chapter, which helped me a lot to create this. This database sheet was kind of easy for me to do. Let's hope they stay this way. But I hope I helped you guys if you need, figuring it out. But thanks. Bye.